Clear your airways. TomTom. Soothing relief.
An OG ad, obviously. However, obviously, you can try that in an actual match. If a referee is not your friend, apparently, I don't think referees should be your friend. But I get the idea. I think everyone got the idea of the positioning. It has always been TomTom's positioning, which is to be able to relieve you of vocal stress. So in that, I would say they delivered it well. The referee's uniform being TomTom's color. So it was a good ad. It was a short, good ad.